In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and get started with Duolingo, a popular language learning app that can be your helpful companion on your journey to mastering a new language. First, let's make sure you have the app installed. Go ahead and open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play Store if you're on an Android device. Simply search for Duolingo and download the app. Once the download is complete, open it and you'll see an option to Get Started. Tap on that if you're a new user excited to dive into language learning. Now it's time to select the language you want to learn. Since we're focusing on learning English today, make sure to choose English from the list of languages available. After that, the app will gently guide you through the initial setup. This part is all about tailoring the experience to fit your current level of understanding. Duolingo provides different learning paths, which means you can decide if you're a complete beginner or if you have some knowledge of English already. If you've dabbled in English before, Duolingo might offer a placement test to gauge your proficiency level, ensuring your lessons are just the right amount of challenging. Establishing a daily practice routine is crucial when it comes to language learning. Duolingo allows you to set a daily goal where you can choose how long you want to practice each day, whether it's 5, 10, or 15 minutes. A daily goal helps maintain consistency, which is key in forming a lasting study habit. To save all your progress and allow you to access your account on different devices, you'll need to create a profile. Signing up is easy and straightforward, and this step ensures that no matter where you are, Duolingo will be there, helping you practice and learn. With your setup complete, you're ready to take lessons. Duolingo offers a variety of interactive exercises, keeping the learning experience engaging. You'll find yourself matching vocabulary words, translating sentences, and filling in the blanks. Listening and pronunciation exercises will help fine-tune your language skills, so pay close attention to the audio and don't shy away from speaking out loud. As you advance, the app will introduce more complex grammar and sentence structures to challenge you. To keep track of your progress and increase motivation, Duolingo incorporates features like daily streaks. These not only show how consistent you've been, but also encourage you to keep practicing each day. Don't forget to enable notifications for practice reminders that help you stick to your goals. Remember, learning a language extends beyond the app. To supplement your lessons, immerse yourself in the language by watching English language TV shows with subtitles, reading English books, or following English-speaking accounts on social media. When you're ready, practice speaking with native speakers, allowing you to experience real-time interaction and improve your spoken English. That's it for this introduction to Duolingo. Happy learning and enjoy your journey to mastering English.